Hello everyone, how are you guys? After a month of quarantine at home, I am back to my walking habits, and today I am in Peak District National Park. COVID and travel, and past 2 weeks have been busy at work. It's been crazy working hours, like I've been working 14 hours a day, and I'm finally happy I'm out. The weather is not great, but I hope it will improve when we get some sun. After a month of home quarantine and eating loads and loads of biryanis and increasing weight, it's start of the ascent and I'm already struggling to catch up my breath, and we have 19 miles to cover. 19 kilometers to cover. Let's see how it goes. Okay, in excitement after the long walk, I missed the footpath I planned to go, and I reached a place. It's not bad, it's a very nice view. Because I missed the footpath, I have no idea where I'm going, and I am just hoping to find the place I really wanted to go around here. But there are quite a lot of footpaths. We can go wherever we want. We can walk around all day, and it's nice. The view behind me of the reservoir, it's nice, and it's a very nice place as usual. There is very less people I see in this particular path, so I am quite happy walking around, and I am already feeling much better with my COVID frustration and home isolation, etc. So I know the day is going to get better. The only thing is, I really wanted to see that particular kind of stone here, and let's see if I can find that. walk little peacefully. We were supposed to go on that peak and get down there and finish the walk, but we took a U-turn because it's going to be raining soon and we don't have time to finish the walk, so we are going back. The day was fine due to lack of sleep all through the week. I am tired, so we are going back to our campsite and see what we can do tomorrow.